This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Welcome to Triumphant Church Ministries International Silver Anniversary Celebration with the theme Celebrating Our Faithful Journey with God. For 25 years, we, the TCMI family, has proven that God remained faithful and loving to all of us. Let us celebrate and give our best offering to the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. In behalf of the Vision Keepers and Triumphant Church Ministries International, we welcome you all to our 25th year anniversary celebration.
Hallelujah, you have won it all for me, and death could never hold you down. You are the reason again, seated in the majesty. You are the reason. We worship you, Lord. Say hallelujah. You have won the victory. Oh, oh, oh. Hallelujah. You have won it all for me. And death could not hold
Giving you the
you
glory,
down.
giving you the honor, praising you for who you are, and praising you for your goodness and for all the blessings that you've been pouring out upon your people and upon this church which we belong. Oh God, we entrust to you. We dedicate to you this celebration of joy, celebration of thanksgiving, celebration of our hearts to you, our Father, the creator of our hearts, the creator of ourselves, and the owner of this church. Once again, dear Father, may Jesus Christ be honored. May Jesus Christ be glorified.
Na kami magkatipon-tipon at aming ipagdiwang sa iisang puso, sa iisang pananampalataya, ang ika-25 taon na anibersaryo ng Triumphant Church Ministries International. Salamat sa nagdaang mga panahon na kami inyong pinisanan. Sa panahon na kami dumaranas ng napakaraming hamon, kayo ang Diyos na ang nagbigay sa amin ng tatag at lakas upang kami makapagpatuloy sa larangan ng paglilingkod sa aspeto ng ministeryo. Salamat sa paggabay, salamat sa pagbibigay karunungan.
Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, Di ka pasisiil sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw. May dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhatit pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Gentlemen, we interrupt this program to bring you important news.
Time to rock.
Come on!
Our hope now is rising. The darkness we're fighting. Our voices uniting. Love shatters the silence. We have been infected. Our world is affected. You paid for our freedom. We fight for your kingdom. Start a riot for the sake of love. Our hearts now beat with the love you gave. Our world is changed 'cause you made a way. We're breaking free from the enemy. We are.
Lord, I offer up this song of praise to bring you pleasure, Lord. I seek the giver, not the gift. My heart's desire is to live you high above all earthly kings, to bring you pleasure, Lord. Hallelujah, glory, glory to the King.
Nalalapit kanyang pagdating, nalalapit kanyang pagbabalik. Hallelujah, 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 papurihan siya. Hallelujah, 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 salubungin ang pagsamba. Ating luha, papahirin niya sa kanyang piling. Lubos ang ligaya. Hallelujah, 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 papurihan siya.
ng